Hello, viewers, and welcome. Today, we are going to, as usual, talk about PDP, but most especially Rivers PDP. Let me say this. The Rivers State Governor, similar like Fubara, will say in they do party. Now, them will not be me, not be us. We will they do party. They say they need to do party for Rivers State. Today, they won't break their head for party matter. It's funny. It's so funny that same governor will be say, hey, now he don't tire. In there with Wike for almost 20 years. He enter as governor. 2 months, 3 months, he don't tire for Wike. Now he will say, they need do party. You never reach 1 month, I be how many months, he don't tire for to not to do movement again, won't do party. It's unfortunate. Now let me educate us. On the 20th of September 2023, the former state chairman of PDP filed a suit against the national, and in that case marked FPAC slash ABJ slash 112 slash 2023. The Honorable Justice Enyang Ewang of the Federal High Court Abuja Division gave a judgment restraining the PDP National Legal Advisor, Honorable Kamadin Ajibade, from interfering with the function of the state legal advisor as it regards matters that affect that particular state, in this case, Rivers State. That judgment is still subsisting and nobody has set it aside. Let's move fast forward to 2024. July 17, 2024. A judgment was given by Justice Fubara Biambo, restraining PDP from conducting state congress. And few days later, on the 23rd or so of same July 2024, Honorable Justice Peter Lofa of the Federal High Court, Abuja, gave an order ordering PDP to continue with their planned ward, LG, and state congresses. After that, the governor group went again to procure in their usual way judgment as alleged from Honorable Justice Charles Wele on the 26th of July 2024. Unaware of that judgment, take note, unaware of that judgment, the party went ahead to conduct Congress. And after conducting the World Congress, they were informed. The party approached the court and the Honorable Justice Charles Wele, and Charles Wele postponed the case after hearing the part of the Aaron-led then caretaker committee postponed the case indefinitely. And the Aaron-led caretaker committee then appealed that ruling at the appeal court level. After that, the local government congress was conducted, the state congress was conducted in line, in consonance with the PDP Congress guideline, PDP Constitution as amended 2017, and the Electoral Act as amended 2022. The conduct of the congresses were in line with the extant laws of PDP and of Nigeria. After that, on the 13th of January 2025, we were awash with an order given, a procured allegedly order given by Honorable Justice Stephen Jumbo, that the PDP Congress were not conducted properly, and as such, Aaron, the legitimately elected ESCO from the state, ward, and local government and ward, should no longer be recognized. It is an unfortunate incident that our Lord Justices, some of them, not all, I must specify, will allow themselves to be used as alleged. Because if the governor is sure that he has a case, he would have gone to Federal High Court or go to appeal court instead of going to the lower court to always secure or procure judgment. Now, let me say this. Based on the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, after the Supreme Court is the appeal court. After the appeal court is the, what is it called, Federal High Court. After the Federal High Court is the National Industrial Court. After the National Industrial Court is the FCT, Federal Capital High Court. After the Federal Capital High Court is the Sharia Court of Appeal, Sharia Court, court, then the State High Court. So how will a judgment of a State High Court supersede that of a judgment or a ruling of a Federal High Court? That is one aspect I want to bring out. And in addition to that, there was a case taken also to Honorable Justice Muhammad Obele of the Federal High Court Division, Port Harcourt. And in his judgment in that same July last year, he said he restrained the National Legal Advisor from interfering with the functions of the State Legal Advisor as he regards, in this case, Rivers State, that he should not interfere with state matters. That is the position of the law, and went as far as fining the National Legal Advisor, Honorable Ajibade, and warned him not to interfere. But to our surprise, we don't know, but it was alleged that Ajibade, the National Legal Advisor, sent one Mr. Barrister Femi to represent PDP without the knowledge of PDP Rivers. The State ESCO is now aware, the chairman himself is now aware, Chief Honorable Aaron Chukwemeka, the legal advisor, State Legal Advisor, was not aware. And that so-called Barrister Femi concurred to whatever the governor's group said, and that led to the ruling given by Honorable Justice Stephen Jumbo. It is unfortunate, but we know that judgment cannot stand. That is the truth. Because Aaron Chukwemeka, Chief Honorable Aaron Chukwemeka, remains the PDP state chairman, and the ESCOs, as elected, remains the ESCO of PDP. And they went further in demonstrating their comic relief or attitude, appointed caretaker committee without the national knowing. Rivers the governor's group went and appointed caretaker committee of APP. What is that party? That dead party. That party that is the elephant or so. The Go party. That is what we call it. Rivers the Go party. That they are the one that are. Come on, stop that. Which party? Which ESCO? We don't have any caretaker committee. Go party. APP that their local government chairmen are failing woefully. All the people that they put on that their so-called caretaker list are Go party APP, and you are saying they are PDP ESCO. It is you people should better respect yourself and stop insulting the sensibility of Rivers PDP members. And let us make it clear that His Excellency Barrister Wike remains the leader of the party, because the governor said he doesn't do party, his movement. He should go and be the leader of his movement. That is all we are saying. And it is very clear. We stand by the Aaron Chukwemeka-led ESCO, and that ESCO remains the ESCO of the PDP in Rivers State. And having said that, let us commend the national chairman of our great party, Ambassador Umar Ilia Damagu, for empowering the National Deputy Publicity Secretary, Honorable Abdullahi Manga, to act as the NPS. Is overdue, because we have the worst in the history of PDP, in the person of Debo as the worst NPS. He is not qualified to be an NPS of PDP. Maybe a social group, it can be that, but not PDP. I want to commend the acting national chairman for recognizing that fact and asking the deputy national publicity secretary who has the capacity to speak for the party right now, because Honorable Debo has abused his office and disrespected the office of the national chairman and desecrated the National Executive Working Committee, that is the NWC, by going to release statement without the knowledge of the NWC, lying that NWC sat and agreed that this should happen, this should happen. And that was why he will go and make constantly, from Ogochiere to the deputy national chairman vice that has been suspended, Ogochiere that has been suspended, to the case that has not been recognized by the NWC. He said he had been recognized, to the national secretary issue. Name them. It is unfortunate, but we commend the national acting chairman for recognizing the flaws of Debo, knowing that he's not capable, and he has stood against the interests of the party by doing things, addressing the media on issues that the party has not taken decision about. We want to thank him, and we also want to thank all party faithful. We want to urge our party faithful, please keep faith with the Ambassador Umar Ilia-led National Working Committee, and also keep faith with our great party. Long live PDP, long live our honest and committed leaders and National Working Committee. Thank you very much, our great party faithful.